Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in my today's video we will be designing one Wilkinson power divider, which is quite easy to design in AWR software. So go to circuit schematic, then new circuit schematic. I'll name it as Wilkinson power divider. So create this one, then go to elements or go to Control L and then type for T-lin. Okay, so you will get this T-lin, press OK, then here it comes. So copy the same one and paste it over here, then copy the same one and paste it over here, then again one more here, and the third one will be here. And also you need one resistor. So again go to Control L, then press resistor. So you will get one resistor over here. So right click and place it over here. Now you can connect these things same as the simple block diagram says. You just have to design in the same way. So once you do this, so what values has to be given to design one Wilkinson power divider? So my input impedance will be 50 ohms as usual, and here my elevation angle I'll keep it as 180 degree or 90 degrees also fine, and frequency will be my operating frequency, which is 16.5 gigahertz. So if you see, when we divide the power in Wilkinson power divider, so the transmission line will be the lambda by 4 and impedance will be root 2 into Z0. So here my Z0 is 50 ohms, so root 2 into 50 ohms is nothing but 70.71. So you just have to type it here. So my lambda by 4 is nothing but 90 degree and frequency of operation is 16.5 gigahertz. Then the same has to be given here, 70.71 ohms, and then my frequency will be 16.5 gigahertz, and here again it will be 50 ohms. Again you give it here as 180 degree and then 16.5. frequency will be this one. And this resistance resistance will be 2 into Z0, so which is 100 ohms. So the design has been completed, and just we have to connect the ports. Okay, so again what is left is place this M sub thing. If you want to place, if you are very good with it, AWR software, just copy and paste the T-lin over here, and just instead of T-lin you can type M sub, and then you can name the properties of your substrate over here. Five, and then my tan D 0.0009. So the design has been completed, guys. So we'll go to graphs, place new graph, then go to S parameters. Okay, and then add your all the measurements over here. So first will be S11, add it, S21, add it, S31, add it. So now you can simulate it. Here you can see, guys, for our 1:2 Wilkinson power divider, the loss will be -3 dP, and the return loss that we are getting is very good, which is around -99 dB. So in the same way, if you want to design 1:4 power divider, you just have to delete these two things and then copy and paste the same thing over here. Okay, just you have to connect it in this way, and again the same will be copied over here. Now just go to ports. Okay, and again we will go to graphs. Here we have to add still more measurements, which is 4-1, 5-1 over. So then go to simulate for measurement. So here we will get minus 6 dB. If you notice guys, for 1:4 power divider, the loss or the insertion loss will be minus 6 dB, and again the return loss is coming really good. So in this way you can design one simple Wilkinson power divider in AWR software. Thank you.